Painting symmetrical butterflies.
Hi Anjali, it's Mrs. Watts here. Mrs. Falk says hi, and so does Mrs. E and Mrs. Simpson. We miss you very much. Today we are going to be learning about symmetry. Symmetry means that one side is the same as the other side. We'll start painting in a minute. Here we are back at the table. I have my table set up with some protection underwear and painting so I don't get paint everywhere. I have my washable paint. I have my paint brushes. I have a paper towel in case I make a mess and some toothpicks. Remember, I can use paintbrushes, toothpicks, fingers, whichever I like. I'm going to take my butterfly paper and I'm going to fold it in half to make sure the black lines line up on both sides. That means it will be symmetrical when I open it up. Symmetrical means it will be same on both sides. Once that is done, I'm going to fold it back over the other way because I'm only going to paint one side right now. And I'm going to start with painting the antennas. And I'm going to do a nice big blue antenna, maybe with a blue line going up to it. We want to make sure we have lots of paint on there because we're going to transfer it over. Once that is done, I'm going to do the head. I think I'm going to make a red head today. So just on this little portion here, I'm going to make a nice red head. And then I'm going to make an orange thorax, which is underneath the head. And then I'm going to make my stomach the same color as my thorax. Nice and thick paint, we have to remember. Now for the outside of the butterfly, I am going to do some nice big purple. And I want to make it nice and thick once again so that when I transfer it over, it will be symmetrical, being the same on the other side. So I just trace this all along. Might even be easier because I'm doing such a big amount is to use my finger. Make sure I get it on there nice and thick. I'll take my finger and go back over it to get it nice and thick. Okay, now for the inside. I'm going to do some red designs. Maybe I'll do a big red circle right here. How about a green diamond? Kind of looks like a diamond. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. And a nice big yellow star. That's a little bit more hard to do, but you can make any design that you want. And then you can put some colors in behind, maybe some blue dots here and there. You want it nice and thick again. Blue in the middle. Once that is done, I'm going to take it, see half of it, I'm going to fold it back over and line up those black lines again, and I'm going to make it flat and squish it together. Rub my hand up and down to squish it all together. When I open it up, I have a symmetrical butterfly. There we go. Enjoy. Have fun making your butterfly.